tell me you're taking that smelly ass.
What smelly ass shit?
Bro, come on. I told you, I'll take my keys.
He doesn't want to drive the Supra because it's too small and you don't fit.
My knees literally crush against the dash.
That F80's too low.
Bro, no.
And this one's what, too smelly?
Bro, I swear I'm gonna have a headache. No, please. Bro, I beg you.
Chris does not want to drive the vet with me. He said it smells so bad, we're gonna have a heart attack.
Bro, we're gonna die.
I know. We're gonna die of fumes. Why, bro? It's the best car. I haven't driven in a long time.
I'm gonna smell like fumes. My head's gonna be rattling all night. You don't
It's so funny
understand.
because that's so true. I swear, after I drive this
I
car,
go
guys,
home and lay on bed, and my
you
head
hear the
is just
cam.
like,
you can still hear the cam in bed.
bro, please.
This car is a lot to drive. You know why I'm bringing it? Because we might do a rev battle with my Corvette Z06 versus Chazzy's 350Z with the Corvette engine. If we make it there. I think it's better with the windows down.
No, man. It's outside. It's your exhaust. It's your fumes. There's no way it's coming into the cabin. If it is, like, get me out of here.
We literally need to have like a gas mask when we drive this car. What's up, boss?
You think I'm gonna stall it?
No.
I never felt it.
It's pretty easy to drive. I don't know. You might though, but nah, you'll be chilling. If we left the door open. This shit is sick, guys. Ray also is not the biggest fan, but I told him he needs to drive it, and then he'll understand why it's so cool. I think the e-brake might be up.
First though, right?
Yeah.
This shit is weird. It's shaking.
I know. This just shakes a lot. This was about to launch it. That car is sick, dude. You like it or what?
I love the red.
I love the red too. These ones don't like it, bro.
Nah. Too bad you're probably gonna sell it for a ZR1.
That's the only car I would sell it for, a 01, bro. Other than that though, I love that car. I don't think I'll ever sell it. Unless there's a clean 01, I'll do it. That's the only way it could get better than that, is a 01. Where's this food going, bro? Ray has to actually like test drive it and like step on it. Then he'll like it.
Yeah, no, that car.
This food looks funny in a vet.
I've been trying to get him to buy one.
They're sick, bro. You gotta take it on the street like later on.
I got scared. That shit started rolling back. I was like, I better not stall. Where did you open it? Oh.
Might as well just fill it up since we're here at the gas station already. Look at it. It's ridiculous, bro. When is gas gonna go back down? I don't know why I haven't put this thing on E85 yet. I gotta do that. Oh, and I also, Chris, you're gonna hate it even more. I ordered like a two-step thing. So the car's gonna have two-step now. And it's gonna be even louder. I can't wait till I get to it. It should be here like any day now. But I ordered like this two-step box thing. What the heck? I don't know why it's not working. Old car problems. But yeah, this two-step box thing is supposed to give you like a crazy two-step. Look at Yas Marina, F80. It's supposed to be crazy loud, shoot more flames. It's gonna be cool. We're gonna install that hopefully like next week. And at the same time, I should see if Sam can help me switch it to full 85. I think we just need injectors and a flex fuel kit, and that's it. It'll obviously be cheaper on gas and gain a little bit more horsepower. I don't think much. He said probably like, honestly, barely anything, but it'll smell better too. Because the 91 stinks, dude. I'm gonna be honest, that was the most stupidest parking structure I've ever seen, bro. I literally scraped the whole bottom of the car. I don't know how, but the side skirts are okay. I don't know about the lip. Like, yeah, it looks fine, but guys, like everything was so steep, bro. Like the bottom of the car was like stuck like this, bro. We were about to have to. And I thought I was gonna roll back into you, bro.
For sure love that.
I can't tell him to reverse. He needs room.
I know, I was scared I was gonna roll back into him. Oh my god, that was a mission just to get up on this parking structure. But we're up here, and there's a lot of freaking cars. I don't know how these guys made it.
Who?
Everybody, like that shit was steep.
Oh bro, nobody does their shit low like that all the time like you.
Yeah, this car just sit low too.
We thought about bringing the F80.
Nah, the F80 hell no would have made it.
They would have broke.
I would have parked outside.
What else could you have brought it?
The R8, but that shit low too.
Nah, you brought the right car.
I can't even smell the clutch, guys. The clutch is bad.
I smelled it over there.
Really?
Yes.
Chris copped out because he said he was gonna pass out from the fumes. You good or what? It was pretty bad. We're in a mixture of the clutch, the exhaust, bro, the anxiety of all the people around here. Me scraping the whole bottom of the car, scraped for sure. The whole bottom of the exhaust is flat probably. But we made it somehow. Parked the Corvette right here. There's another Vet right here. Look at this one. You guys have seen this one on my channel before. Freaking engines out the hood. I should do this, huh?
Yeah, that'd be tough.
Got full carbon seats.
Damn, see, that means buy my shit.
I know, I want to. You got the parachute too. Damn. But there's a bunch of Vets actually. There's a 01 up there. More Z06s right here. GTR.
We're in Texas with all these vets.
Bro, this is a sick ass venue. Look, the whole city in the back. This is the bike I want. I know you want the S1000, but
Ducati?
I want a Ducati, bro. They just look sick. It's like the supercar of bikes. Bro, this is legit the car from the movie, huh? That would be sick. It probably gets so much attention down the street.
Hell yeah, what the fuck?
Like a Supra alone probably gets a lot of attention. But that shit. Yo, look at this M2, guys. I was actually looking at M2s right now.
M2s are tough.
Right before I came.
Buy one. Chris, you should buy M2, right?
We were talking about
You
it.
should buy M2, right?
We have
If-
one this weekend.
If I sell the F80 for 60, I can get it.
We were looking at a couple right before.
I want red too. I found a red one just like this. Driveway I'm talking about. You just scraped the bottom of the side skirt. This wasn't bad though. My Corvette scraped the whole bottom. Look at this. That's for sure from my car. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, we cooked the bottom of the Corvette. That was so bad. And you know what's even worse? I gotta somehow get out of here. That's gonna be a pain to get out of here. You wore the perfect shirt today.
Yeah, literally.
'Cause I brought my car.
Favorite shirt right here.
No way this fool got an RPG on his car. One more for two?
Shoot in your ass.
Bro, you're tripping. Shoot at the building over there. This is Chazzy Z, and it has an LS in it. He wants to do a rev battle, bro. Me and my van, his freaking 350. I don't know which one will be louder. This shit's pretty loud.
Stop.
What, bro? You're scared or what? I hate heights. I don't even want to go over
It's
there.
not that I hate heights, but that, hell no.
Ray says you'll die if you fall off this.
Bro, you will
No,
die.
you won't, dude.
Are you stupid?
You'll be chilling.
You'll die. Stop.
Come on, G. Chris don't even care.
He wants to die.
I was about to say, he's like, push me off, bro, please. What's up with you?
The hot chicken.
And the fumes?
Oh.
Oh my, you guys see what I mean? This was, I wish someone recorded my Corvette coming up because it was just as bad. Except this is, I don't even know, 10 times more expensive than my Vet. Don't do it, brother. Shit for sure expensive.
That's just like, he just got to go. Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, yeah. Hey, you might go send it, bro.
Chazzy said send it. Bro. Oh my god, bro. But it's definitely scratched. Damn, that car is beautiful, bro. Freaking SF90. You got the buckets.
Real question is real quick. Is that Ferrari or Alibaba car? If it's not Ferrari, that's fine. He's chilling.
Oh, shoot.
Come on.
Did he scrape? Nah, he didn't scrape at all.
Yeah, I could buy that.
My life be like, ooh.
I don't know. Bro, I need to shit my pants.
What's up with you? Bro, we can just stand here and watch everyone scrape. You think it's a scrape, yes or no? Oh, he's going way too straight. And he cleared it though, that's just crazy. That's tough, bro. That's your color, huh, Ray?
Yeah.
You gonna scrape, brother? Oh my god. What year is that? I'll get that year. With the big wing like that?
18.
How much is that? Like,
Might be wrong.
no way, that's Nico. I was about to say that. Nico got the lift kit on there. He ain't gonna scrape. You're going way too straight, bro. Oh my god. See, even if a stock high GTR scrapes, that's how you know our cars are cooked. Bro, aired up and he's still scraping, bro.
This venue, all his shit snapped. Look, it cracked.
Really? Oh, it did. I'm for sure cracking my shit on the way out. I don't know why I came in here, but I should have just parked outside.
I told you.
I should have just parked over there. by myself.
I got the plot. Just drive off here.
Damn.
That's how you take it.
You trying to get one or what?
Yes.
This would be hard, bro.
His fault, but
And his shit makes like 1,000 bucks.
This would be tough.
Just like a supercar vibe, huh? The doors.
What would you say? This or 720?
I've driven a 720 and 600. An LT is better than a 720.
I keep saying this one.
This
See,
is
I
hard.
keep making me feel like I'm stupid.
720s, their gearing is different, but
No, but somebody else kept telling me 720. I heard
You know, you stepped on my toe,
Sorry.
and that toe doesn't have a nail.
But yeah, Ray's trying to buy a McLaren now, guys. Out of nowhere, he just told us he's
600
ready.
LT.
He wants a supercar again. What's up?
I'm stressed out.
What's up with you?
I scraped
bro,
my
I
car.
scraped my
scraped
car
my
too.
car.
I did.
I scraped my car.
I'm stressed.
Shut the fuck up.
I care about my shit. I'm like you.
But you barely tapped it. If you would have
You heard it though, huh?
Yes, but if you would have seen me come in, you probably would have had a heart attack.
Oh my god, I would. No, it was
What's up?
embarrassing.
How are you? Good chilling, bro.
If you're crying, go look at what happened
No,
to
I
his
already
car.
saw it. No, I feel a little better, even though that's kind of messed up
A
to say.
GTR or a carbon 600 LT?
Yeah, he scraped this car bad, huh? Bro, it's just all cut. I don't know how it didn't snap. And I burned my clutch because
No,
I was
you
trying
did.
to I was trying to go up the hill that was this steep.
Oh my god, bro! If I were to drive this up here, I would have stalled me.
You would have stalled bad.
Yeah, I would have stalled so bad.
I might be buying a McLaren, so you gotta buy the watch back off of me.
The watch is more than the car. Gee.
I'm gonna have you come up and then take his spot.
I didn't even mention Garrett bought an E90, guys, and his manual. I told him he has to let me drive it for a video because I don't think I've driven. Actually, I'm lying. I've driven Hugo's E92 and I always wanted a manual one. I told myself if I get another E92, it would be manual. But then my old one came on the market and I had to buy it. Couldn't pass it up.
You're gonna fall to the floor.
That's why. What if the floor? Oh my god, bro. Dude. What if the whole freaking parking structure just collapses? Oh my god, bro. Look at the bump.
That's incorporated.
Bro, put down the J80.
Hell no. That's gonna break.
You're gonna scrape on the way out. Oh my god, this was drifting right here. Oh, bro, he's about to hit that G80. Damn. Oh my god, bro. That wing's about to hit somebody. Sun's coming down and now it's looking like some Fast and Furious vibes, bro. Especially with the car.
That Porsche is hard.
That one's hard, bro. What year is that? I would actually get that year. With the wing, just like, it's a whole cup kit. With the fenders. So sick, dude. Can I drive your car?
Yep.
Let's do it for a video. But I have to wait till my E92 gets back. It's on a trailer right now with the broken lip. I didn't even mention that to you guys. When we loaded it up in Miami, Mark saw it. The truck driver literally broke the lip. Loading it onto the truck. And I took such good care of the car, trying not to break the lip all in Miami, and then it breaks on the way out. Shit's whack. Oh, there's a lot of sick cars.
Would you take this generation or that generation?
You. What are you doing, Jimmy?
Warming it up. It's almost ready.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it loud?
Pretty loud, but the exhaust will be cold, so it might take a little.
God damn. Yo, Loki, this feels like an old LA car meet vlog.
Fuck that, bro.
That shit is loud, bro. Jimmy said it's not that loud. Luckily, I'm getting shot, bro. Oh, hell no. Jimmy said it's not that loud.
Is it not loud?
Yes, it's freaking loud. I'm literally deaf, bro.
You gotta stand by.
Come up with this. I put the alarm on because there was so many freaking people.
why is your alarm going off?
Do you see how many people were around my car? There was like 1,000 people rubbing up against it.
That's what happens.
Oh my, there's a dent. No, I'm just kidding. Bro, everyone's driving it now. This shit got a V8? Ain't no way you put a V8 in a GTR. What the? Oh my God, bro. These cars are so loud. I'm literally going deaf, bro. Yeah. The Arnie was actually sick. Yeah, that was crazy. Walking around like this. Walking around like that? I need some headphones, bro. Hey, but this shit was shooting flames. I'm telling you guys, I missed the NA, dude. It's so much louder. I'm like, you can't beat us too much. Insane, dude. I need to get out of here. I know, right? We can't even get out, bro. I'm stuck.
Hey, watch out, coming through!
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.